Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. If you or your loved ones are suffering from kidney problems, kidney pain, kidney stones, kidney swelling, or spleen-related issues, recite this powerful dua for kidney and spleen health. You can recite this dua multiple times, blow it into water, and drink it regularly. Continue this practice with faith, and insha'Allah, you will see improvements. I have personally shared this dua with 2 people who were struggling with kidney issues, and alhamdulillah, they have recovered and called me to share their good news. This dua is truly effective, and may Allah Ta'ala grant complete shifa, healing to all those suffering from diseases. Ameen. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video, and subscribe for more beneficial duas and Islamic content.
Allahu, Allahu, Allahu.